Hello, Kauai. This is your weekly County of Kauai briefing from Monday, November 29th. Governor Ige has announced an updated statewide emergency order on COVID-19. The new order keeps certain statewide rules in place while giving the counties discretion over certain policies like gathering sizes. As of this Wednesday, December 1st, restaurants will no longer be subject to capacity limits and may return to 100% capacity. The indoor mask mandate will continue, so masks must be worn at all times indoors except when eating or drinking. Here on Kauai, we will continue restrictions on gatherings and events. Effective December 1st, all gatherings will be restricted to 40 indoors or 100 outdoors. Any event more than 40 indoors or 100 outdoors must have an event coordinator who will verify that all attendees are either fully vaccinated or have taken a negative COVID-19 test within 24 hours of the event. Additionally, event coordinators are no longer required to register event information on the KEMA website effective December 1st. Safe travels requirements will remain in place for trans-Pacific travel to Hawaii. All travelers from out of state will continue to be subject to quarantine unless they upload an approved vaccine record or negative test. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. Now for the latest on our daily case count, here is Kauai Deputy District Health Officer Lauren Guest.
Thanks, Mayor. Our case count remains elevated, and 10 Kauai residents are currently hospitalized. Thankfully, the count remains stable. Over the past week, our average daily case count was 12. We currently have 6 active clusters, 2 educational settings, 1 food supplier, 1 restaurant, 1 construction/industrial, and 1 social gathering. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is reporting 15 new cases, all residents. 4 are children and 11 are adults. 3 of the cases are related to mainland travel. The remaining 12 cases are considered community-acquired. 6 of the community-acquired infections are close contacts of a previously announced case or are tied to an active cluster. The remaining 6 cases have no known source of infection, including 3 whom investigators have been unable to reach after repeated attempts or who have refused to provide information. Today's cases bring the number of active cases to 98, with 10 hospitalized, and 3,160 cumulative cases. Since the beginning of the pandemic, Kauai has had 12 fatalities. We do expect to see a rise in cases over the next few weeks due to gatherings and travel around the holiday.
Thanks, Lauren. We're getting a lot of questions about reports of a new global COVID variant. As of now, the Department of Health has not yet detected Omicron in Hawaii. Lauren, what do we know so far about Omicron?
Thanks, Mayor. The Department of Health state labs are now testing for this variant in their regular variant testing. So far, no cases have been detected in the state of Hawaii or in the United States. Scientists and health officials are still learning more about this variant, especially the effectiveness of current vaccines against it. We don't know yet how strong the protection offered by current vaccines will be. We don't know yet whether this variant will be more transmissible or whether it will cause more severe disease. Protective measures such as masking indoors, avoiding large gatherings, maintaining distance, and staying home and getting tested when you are sick are more important than ever. These measures protect against all variants. Currently, the Delta variant is the variant circulating here, and vaccines provide protection. Get vaccinated, get your keiki vaccinated, get your booster.
Thanks, Lauren. We're monitoring the situation and will continue to provide updates. The Pfizer vaccine for keiki ages 5 to 11 is free and available at clinics around the island this week. Consider starting your child's vaccination now before the holidays. Minors must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. The Wilcox Medical Center Pediatric Clinic is open Tuesday and Thursday afternoons. Appointments are required. Visit wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine. The 5 to 11 clinic at KVMH in Waimea is open Wednesday afternoons from 2 to 5 p.m. Walk-ins are accepted at KVMH and no appointments are needed. Kaiser Permanente's Lihui Clinic accepts walk-ins or advance appointments for everyone 5 and up. They're open weekdays until 4:30 p.m. Appointments are available at kp.org. You can schedule an appointment for your child or adult 7 days a week at the Longs location at Kukui Grove by visiting cvs.com/vaccine. Ho'olalahui is bringing free pop-up clinics to Waimea and Anahola this Saturday, December 4th. They'll be at the Kano'i Kapono Charter School in Anahola and at the Ho'olalahui Waimea Medical Clinic on Waimea Canyon Road. Both clinics are open Saturday morning from 9 to 11, open to everyone ages 5 and older. All adults are now eligible for booster doses of the adult vaccines. They are available at hospitals, pharmacies, and clinics around the island. If you want a booster or you're ready to start your initial vaccination, a full list of locations and links is posted at kauai.gov/vaccine. If you traveled over the holiday, please get a free test 3 to 5 days after you return to Kauai. If you feel sick, protect your colleagues or classmates by staying home and getting a free COVID test. The convention hall is open weekdays from 8:30 to 3:30. Lihue Pharmacy offers free tests 7 days a week from 9 to 5. Make an appointment at preventcovidhi.com. Our mobile testing van will be open in Kekaha on Wednesday, Kilauea on Thursday, Kalaheo on Friday, Hanalei on Saturday, and at the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapa'a on Sunday. It is open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. each day. No appointments are needed, and the tests are free. For a full list of testing locations, visit kauai.gov/COVID tests. Remember everyone, if you travel, please get tested 3 to 5 days after you return. If you gather, stay outdoors, wear a mask when around others, stay home when sick, and get vaccinated if you can. Mahalo, Kauai.